So let's get started. The first order of business is to remove all the screws on the bottom. There's no hidden screws, so all the screws that you see on the bottom, they need to be removed. So let's go one by one and start removing it. And for each step, for each set of screws, I like to keep them in a separate pile in the order in which I remove them. And in this case, you see the three back screws. They're longer. The three back screws, they're longer than all the other side screws. So we keep the longer screws in a separate pile also. So there's the three, and then the screws that go around the perimeter of the laptop, they're the shorter ones. And we keep those in a separate pile right here. Okay, so in this way, we go around the bottom of the laptop and remove all the screws, including the one in the center. So three long screws and 6 short screws. Once we remove the screws, we can snap the back cover back off, and to do that we need to use the hobby knife to pry it open. So we find a good place to reach in with a hobby knife and gently start prying it open. And if we don't get it the first time, we keep trying again to find a good place to open up the seam. And we're having a little bit of trouble here, so we go to a different place.